Okay, this is the Big Red Rooster baby sound machine. It's got 6 settings. You got lullaby, rockabye, twinkle, white noise, ocean, and heartbeat. The power buttons here. You got a timer, 15, 30, or 60. Volume down, up. Comes with the power cord in the back. You just take it out like that and put it right back in. So let's turn it on. Right now we're on lullaby. Set the timer for 15, 30, or 60. Volume up, volume down. You have rockabye, twinkle, white noise, ocean, which is very nice, and heartbeat. The bottom just looks like that, so you can, let me turn it off, let me just hit that off. So the bottom has a battery compartment, so you can put batteries in it. It's AA, 3 AA, so you can use it, you can take it anywhere, even like camping. Just put your batteries right in there. But that's the sound machine. It's pretty nice. Like I said, it came with the adapter in the back, and it came with this. Very nice. Speakers right up front. Quality's very well made. Nice and sturdy. And that's about it. Thanks.